hours. KTVU meteorologist Kyla Grogan also tracking the storm. Kyla.
Yeah, and boy, I fear more pictures coming out that are going to be very devastating as the storm continues to be just a beast right now at a Category 4. Dorian, by the way, the strongest hurricane on record to ever hit the Bahamas. Yesterday it was clocked in at 185-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Here's the big picture here, and you can see it there off the Florida coast. Notice that very symmetrical eye got a little wobbly as we were heading overnight. These little mesovortices started to pop up here in the middle of it, but now it's starting to get a little more reorganized, and it is moving ever so slowly. Right now, Category 4, sustained winds here at 150 miles per hour, but look at this, moving just west-northwest at 1 mile per hour, and that is devastation because that means it is sitting in the same place, and that wind and that water and that storm surge is all just training over this area. It is basically sitting right over the island of Grand Bahama right now, and it is expected not to move very quickly. As you can see, it takes until we get to Wednesday before we see this off the coast of North Florida, before finally it continues its track, perhaps, staying offshore and perhaps making some contact with North and South Carolina. These are the models right now, and you can see all of them kind of coming together, that it does track off the coast, but then does it make contact with land as it gets there into that South Carolina, North Carolina time frame? It does have a lot of warm water to work with. That gives it strength. So this is still a beast of a storm that we will be following for the next few days. We will be talking about California weather, which is very nice, a little cooler, Garcia, today, and a beautiful day out. I'll have the update for you when I come back in a bit.
Kyla, thank you. Well, the storm has now been down